Who knew luxury cruises could get fancier? Enter the Triton 660-9 AVA, basically an underwater lounge for folks who think snorkeling is too basic. This sleek sub has a stretched bubble design, giving you panoramic views of the deep blue while you sip cocktails or play cards 660 feet below the surface. It seats 8 guests plus a pilot, and can transform into anything from a minibar to an underwater spa. Just don't expect a bathroom. So yeah, plan accordingly. The first of its kind now sails with Scenic Luxury Cruises, letting passengers on the Scenic Eclipse 2 sneak in a dive between brunch and bingo. Cruising around Australia, New Zealand and beyond, it's underwater exploration, but make it fancy. Your punching bag just got a serious upgrade. The Boxing Buddy attaches to any heavy bag, or even a pole or tree, and throws punches back with 2 padded arms. I mean, talk about keeping you on your toes. With 3 workout modes, 4 difficulty levels, and speeds that range from beginner-friendly to lightning fast, it's perfect for refining your offense, defense, and footwork. The Bluetooth app makes it easy to customize sessions, and at under 2 kilograms, it's foldable and super portable. Plus, with up to 10 hours of battery life, you'll tire out before it does. Whether you're just starting out or trying to outpunch the pros, this gadget is primed to throw hands with the best of them. You know that moment when you need a tool right now but you can't find it? That's where the Skyor 2.0 steps in. And trust me, it's a pocket-sized lifesaver. Weighing less than your car key, just 15.9 grams, this titanium wonder packs a knife, wrench, bottle opener, pry bar, file, fire starter, you name it, without bulking up your pocket. Need to pop open a drink, tighten a bolt, or slice through packaging? One hand, quick slide, and you're set. The craftsmanship, top notch. The hidden blade's sharpness is no joke, and the magnetic fastener makes grabbing it off your keychain effortless. Whether you're outdoors or just opening stubborn cans at home, Skyor 2.0 proves that good things really do come in tiny packages. Ever wonder what it's like to race in the sky? The Airspeeder Mark IV isn't just some futuristic concept. It's a real, crude flying racing car that can rip from 0 to 225 miles per hour in just 30 seconds. Built in Australia and unveiled in London, this thing is fast, efficient, and yep, it runs on green hydrogen. That means near zero emissions while you zip through the air. Its lightweight design, just 950 kilos, and advanced tech let it fly up to 188 miles on a single go. Plus, it's opening up a whole new sport. Imagine Formula 1, but in the sky. With racing teams gearing up to join, the future of high-speed, eco-friendly air racing is officially here, and it looks wild. Ever wished your phone could flex like your weekend plans? Motorola's got you covered with its bendable concept phone, a futuristic gadget that twists, bends, and even wraps around your wrist like a smartwatch. Unveiled at Lenovo Tech World 23, this 6.9-inch shapeshifter can stand upright for hands-free video calls or curl into a C shape to cling to your wrist. Bonus, it has AI-generated wallpapers that match your outfits. It's a bold attempt to shake things up in the smartphone scene. Whether it's practical or just a fun party trick, that's up for debate. Either way, it's definitely not your average phone. Ever wish your laptop had more screen real estate without lugging around a second monitor? The Duxu screen has you covered, with dual 13.5-inch touchscreens, a hidden keyboard, and modes that flip between 2 independent displays, 1 giant screen, or an ebook setup. It's poised to redefine productivity. Whether you're coding on the go, analyzing stocks, or just binge reading, this device promised versatility wrapped in an ultra-thin carbon fiber shell. Its 48 watt-hour battery with fast charging could even top off your phone. Plus, with 2 USB-C ports, staying connected would have been a breeze. Sounds like a dream, right? Unfortunately, this project is currently on hold, with no release date in sight. But here's hoping it makes a comeback. The Sky Orbit drone is like having your own flying cameraman, without the awkward small talk. Just turn it on, set it to follow you, and boom, it's trailing you like a loyal sidekick while you run, bike, hike, or ski. It's impressively accurate thanks to its GPS and fancy tracking tech, so you don't have to worry about it veering off into a tree. The best part? No tech wizardry required. The app lets you edit videos, slap on music, and share them with a tap. Want to control it yourself? Switch to manual mode or grab the remote for more speed and range. Whether you're chasing adventure or just cool angles, the Orbit's got your back. Literally. Strap this next gadget on and suddenly your arm isn't just an arm, it's a fully operational wooden arm cannon. The ArmPal Armor 1 makes you feel like Iron Man, minus the billion-dollar lab. This DIY kit isn't just for show, it actually fires tiny missiles with a flick of your wrist. Powered by a mix of mechanical, hydraulic, and electrical gears, it's a hands-on build that's as fun as it is impressive. Realtek has already turned wooden toys into high-tech marvels, and this one takes it further, adding a working cannon. It even ejects spent cartridges like a real firearm. Basically, it's the coolest thing you can strap to your arm, without a Stark Industries budget. You never think you'll need a jump starter until you're stuck on the side of the road wishing you had one. That's where the AliGoo Boost series saves the day. This pocket-sized gadget packs a serious punch, with up to 24,000 mAh of juice, jump-starting engines up to 10 litres in just 3 seconds. Rain or shine, it handles it all with its IP67 waterproof rating and extreme temperature tolerance. Plus, it's not just for cars. Charge your phone or laptop with its fast charging ports, and the built-in LED light with SOS and strobe modes is perfect for emergencies. The magnetic base, total genius, freeing your hands for under-the-hood fixes. Compact, versatile, and surprisingly powerful, the AliGoo Boost is like having roadside peace of mind in your glove box. If a Game Boy and a hacker toolkit had a baby, you'd get the Cyper Pro, a pocket-sized gadget that packs serious tech muscle. Whether you're a seasoned pen tester or just a curious tinkerer, this device lets you explore the digital world like never before. Need to scan networks, clone access cards, or mess with infrared signals? It's got you covered. The controls are straightforward, no coding wizardry required, and the community's leaderboard adds a fun, competitive twist. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a library of tools right out of the box, the Cyper Pro is like a digital Swiss Army knife. Furthermore, its open-source nature means you can tweak it to your heart's content. Long story short, it's sleek, smart, and ridiculously fun. The Jelly Star is like a pocket-sized surprise. You almost forget it's a smartphone until you see what it can do. It's tiny, yep, credit card-sized, making it perfect for slipping into any pocket. But don't let the size fool you. This little gadget packs a punch with an octa-core processor, 8GB of RAM, and 256GB of storage. No lag, no fuss. The transparent back and pulsing LED lights aren't just cool, they turn heads. Snapping photos? Its 48MP rear and 8MP front cameras handle that with ease. Plus, it's got NFC, dual SIM, and even an IR blaster to boss around your home devices. With a solid battery and Android 13, it's the small phone that surprisingly does pretty much everything. Ever lost your wallet and wished it had a Find Me button? That's where the Stim Pro wallet comes in. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. This sleek 4-in-1 gadget isn't just a wallet. It tracks its location, sounds an alarm if you leave it behind, charges your phone wirelessly, and even doubles as a magnetic stand for FaceTime or binge watching. The built-in 2000 mAh power bank kicks in with a tap, no cables needed. Holding up to 3 cards, it keeps them snug yet easy to grab. Not only that, its strong magnets keep everything secure on the move. Techy, handy, and surprisingly slim, Stim Pro just gets it. See ya!